how to add the Note Creator widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on widgets at the bottom, and then we scroll down in here, tap on Notes. Next, scroll down, then touch and hold on the Note Creator widget, and then drag it to your home screen and drop it there. And that's it. Now you want to quickly create a new note. You can just tap on one of the shortcuts in here. And that's it. So that is how you can add the Note Creator widget to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.